Our business idea for Nicoccino originated from the fact that 25% of global adult population is smoking. And according to the World Health Organization, about 6 million people are dying every year directly because of the causes of smoking. Then when we look at the smokers, we know that about 2 out of 3 smokers have at least tried once in their life to stop smoking or are looking for alternatives. And 100% of the smokers, specifically in the Western world, actually can't smoke whenever they want because of restrictions and bans that are being put onto smoking. So our mission and our idea has been to really develop and bring to market a powerful, effective and healthy alternative for smoking. And we believe that the market for alternative nicotine products is going to continue to grow, mainly for 2 reasons. One, there is a growing health concern amongst consumers and smokers. And secondly, the authorities in different countries will continue to increase bans and restrictions on smoking. Well, Nicoccino is a patented, innovative and it's also a very discreet product that delivers and gives smokers instant access to nicotine whenever they don't want or can't smoke. It also contains no tobacco, no tars, and it also leaves no smell. And you can basically say that one Nicoccino is about or contains 1 milligram of nicotine, which is about the same content of nicotine as a normal regular strength cigarette.
Nicoccino is a patented combination of natural ingredients. The base is an alginate extracted from brown seaweed harvested outside of Norway's coast, and of course nicotine of pharmaceutical grade and some natural oils for the flavor. Nicoccino is a strongly protected product and it's a result of 10 years of research and development. It's a combination patent of manufacturing and composition, and also the delivery and stability of free base nicotine, and they are a combination of patents actually. The product is developed in Sweden and produced in pharmaceutical factories in the US and Europe under GMP conditions. And as we produce it under GMP conditions, it's thoroughly tested and regulated production, and that ensures a high quality and a safe product for the consumer.
Well, if you look at the potential, of course, it is very big. With 25% of adult population smoking, it's enormous. But if we just look at Europe, we know that about 600 billion cigarettes are smoked every year, which translates in a value of about 120 billion euros. So that's an enormous market. We will launch first in the UK, and the UK market is about 1/10 of the European market. It has about 50 billion cigarettes every year with a value of 15 billion pounds. So just to make it more relevant, if we would take 1% of the UK market, we would actually sell 500 million films. That is what the potential looks like. We will be launching in Q3 in the UK, and the reason why we are launching in the UK is because the UK is one of those countries where the government and the authorities have done extensive efforts to try to stem the use of cigarettes. Taxation is extremely high, but at the same time that has also created a market for alternative products, and the UK is one of those markets where alternative products are actually most and best established. Well, at launch, Nicoccino will be sold exclusively over our e-commerce website, but then we will selectively add new distribution channels that specifically strengthen the positioning of our products. And we are thinking here about airlines, bars, restaurants, all those places where people don't want or can't smoke. But for the first year, we have set ourselves a goal of reaching break-even and cash flow positive. We also established the goal to reach about 15,000 users that will use Nicoccino on a regular basis. And the third goal we have within the next year is to really establish our brand within the UK market. From there on, over the next 5 years, we want to expand the brand in Europe, establish the brand and reach eventually 3 million users using at least 2 Nicochinos a day. To understand our main competitors on the market, we have to understand the positioning of Nicoccino. On the one hand of the spectrum, we have tobacco products, which we do not fall under, as we do not have any tobacco in our product. On the other hand of the spectrum, we have nicotine replacement therapies, which are products to help people stop smoking. And we do not have a medical license and make no such claim either. So we do not fall under that category either. So the category we really fall under is nicotine-containing products. And in that category, our main competitor is e-cigarettes. But of course, since Nicoccino is a healthy alternative and a substitute to cigarettes, we cannot exclude the tobacco companies from our competition list, and we will compete to a certain degree with those companies as well.
Nicoccino is not a nicotine replacement therapy product as an NRT product, but Nicoccino has developed an NRT product and gone through the first early stages in the clinical phase with very promising results. And our aim is to launch the product during 2016 to be able to help smokers on all the markets with a new innovative product for helping them quit smoke.
Within the nicotine replacement therapy category, our main competitors are big pharma companies such as GSK, McNeil and Novartis, who have over the last 20 years developed a whole range of products meant to help people stop smoking. And that market is worth about $3 billion on a yearly basis and is still growing modestly on a yearly basis.